video volume of spheres.
All right, boys and girls, let's talk about the volume of a sphere. Again, as a reminder, a sphere is a 3D circle. This is the formula that's used to calculate the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 multiplied by pi r cubed. Instead of the radius being squared, the radius is being cubed because now the circle is a 3D object. So I'm going to give this sphere a radius of 4 centimeters. So to calculate the volume of the sphere, let's take 4/3 times pi r to the 3rd power. So I'm going to take pi times 4 to the 3rd power. Now an easier way to do this is if we take the whole numerator and multiply it, then divide by 3. So we're going to first focus on pi times 4 to the 3rd power. So I'm going to take 4 cubed times pi, in this case I'm going to use 3.14, equals, so 200.96 takes care of pi times 4 to the 3rd power. Now I'm going to multiply by 4, then divide by 3. So the volume of the sphere is 267.9 centimeters cubed. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's give this sphere a radius of 7 feet. So I'm going to take 4/3 times pi and my radius cubed, 7 cubed. So what I want you to do is first solve for this part of the formula. So I'm going to take 7 cubed, you notice here it says cubed, or cube, times pi, which is 3.14, times 4, then I'm going to divide by 3. So 1,436 feet cubed. Okay, what I want you to do is get out your graphic organizer. We're going to give this sphere so we're going to give it a sphere, a radius, I'm sorry. So from the middle, the radius is from any point in the middle to the edge of the circle. So let's say 6 meters. So we're going to do 4/3 times pi times 6 cubed. This says 6 cubed. Okay, so I'm going to first take care of pi times 6 cubed. So let's do 6 cubed times 3.14 times 4, which is 2,712. All divided by 3. So 904 meters cubed. Now this kind of goes back to cylinders and cones. Sometimes it's easier to measure all the way across the circle. In that case, it would be a diameter. So you'd have to divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. What we're also going to explore a little bit, in a basketball, you can't measure through the sphere. So we're going to talk about measuring the circumference to find radius and diameter first. All right, thank you for watching your video on calculating the volume of spheres. This concludes your volume series of videos. Tomorrow in class, we're going to do another hands-on experiment to kind of dive a little bit deeper into spheres and calculating volume. Great job, Mr. Singh.